Today's training is going to be on PPE, which relates to our procedure number POT-1005S. Let's talk about personal protective equipment or PPE. According to OSHA, millions of workers suffer a serious job-related injury or illness each year, with many injuries occurring because PPE did not provide full protection or proper PPE was not worn. There are various types of PPE that should be worn. Let's look at eye and face protection first. Shield workers from hazards such as flying fragments, particles and sparks, molten metals, machined metal chips, lasers, UV light, glare and radiation, liquid chemicals, vapors and hazardous gases. Safety glasses should be ANSI approved, marked with Z87 and have approved side shields. Goggles, they can be worn over glasses if necessary. Face shields, they do not provide protection on their own, but when they have to be worn with safety glass or goggles. Let's take a look into head protection. A hard hat should always be worn when you're working in a tight squeeze area or heavy items are stored above your eye level. Hard hats should effectively resist penetration by objects, absorb the shock of a blow, be water resistant, be ANSI Z87 approved. Always inspect hard hats for nicks, scratches or holes on the shell. Make sure your hard hat suspension is not damaged or deteriorated. Check that your hard hat is not brittle or soft due to UV damage. Let's look into hand and arm protection. Gloves, finger guards and arm coverings are the three major PPEs. It is important to know when gloves are necessary and when they are not, and which gloves you need for the particular job that you're doing. So there are various types of gloves. Cotton and fabric gloves. These can keep hands clean and protect against abrasions, but may not be strong enough to handle work with rough or sharp materials. Coated fabric gloves. These type of gloves can provide protection against some moderate concentrated chemicals. Rubber, plastic or synthetic gloves. These type of gloves can be used when cleaning or working with oils, solvents and other chemicals. Leather gloves. These should be used when welding, as leather can resist sparks and moderate heat. Aluminized gloves. These gloves are recommended for welding, furnace and foundry work, as they provide reflective and insulating protection. Kevlar gloves. These have a wide variety of industrial applications. They are cut and abrasion resistant and provide protection against both heat and cold. And we have chemical and liquid resistant gloves. Let's talk about foot and leg protection. Safety footwear like steel toe boots must meet standards set by ANSI and ASTM. Some of the examples include leggings, metatarsal guards, toe guards, combination foot and shin guards. Premium Oilfield provides $100 reimbursement for steel toe shoes for all its employees. Hearing protection. The companies must create an effective hearing conservation program whenever worker noise exposure is greater than 85 decibel over an 8-hour workday. Hearing protection is used to block the path that noise takes into the body. Premium Oilfield does not have any area where the noise level is more than 85 decibel. Body protection. FRCs, flame retardant clothing, are less likely to catch fire, so they are useful in protecting workers from flash fires, electric arcs and flames. They are self-extinguishing and must be approved for use in the work environment. Other garments used to protect the arms, legs and trunks of the body from hazards include fully encapsulating suits, sleeve protectors, proximity suits, and cooling garments. A safety harness is a safety belt worn on the body as a part of individual's personal protective equipment. Safety harnesses are equipped with a D-ring to which the wearer can attach a layer and order to be able to connect up to an anchorage device. In the case of a fall, the safety harness channels the ensuing force through the leg loops to the thighs so as to avoid serious injury to more sensitive parts of the body. So as employees of Premium Oilfield, we have the following responsibilities. All employees are responsible for using PPE that is provided to them and maintain them properly and include dry storage. Assess the real and potential hazards of their area and inform management of any situation in which a hazard is present that current PPE may not be suited for or a PPE has not been provided for. Follow all warning signs and precautions as outlined on labels, MSDS and manufacturer's instructions. Follow all instructions provided by your manager or the chemical or equipment manufacturer. Ensure that damaged or defective PPE is not used. Be aware and work safe. Thank you.